Sorry, I'm eating shrimp. So yeah, I was doing like a little behind the scenes little video thing, and um so I tried to get some footage, and I figured out how you can't hear the actual me if I already said that voice in this video, so I went over with the mic. I'm sorry if I just like hurt you guys' eardrums, but yeah, so we're gonna go with the video. So as I was doing this, I realized I was riding Winter, so I went to go ride Rose. That obviously didn't work. Then I pretty much just got off of her and did what I would normally do. Go to the arrange your horses thing. Also, this is for a new series I was doing if I didn't already see that. And this always happens when Winter and Fire in the right stall. This always happens. Rose's door is always open. So what I try to do is I get her out. It's kind of simple. And I try to make her go back in. Oops. But yeah, so I was trying to do everything behind the scenes. And it wouldn't work, so I did a couple of things, and I'll go ahead and skip on and show you what I did. So I pretty much talked in the video telling y'all what I was gonna do. So here's what I said. Hello. Yeah, Rose's door won't close, and sorry for my TV. Again, I really don't want to turn it down. Um, yeah. Um, oh, yeah, so I'll keep on, trying to figure out how to do this. Oh my gosh, I'm such cringing doing this. It was, it was just so much funny what I did, and it was just kind of awkward of how I kept on moving my mouse and the way I did it. Yeah, I don't know why I even did this. It was just, it was just so cringy to watch. I cringed so much. I was making this, whoa. When I made this, I thought, oh my gosh, sorry, I thought that this was gonna be really good. Nothing would go wrong, and I don't know why I said on Rose because I kept on talking and like pretty much just taking my mouth and just shutting my brain off and randomly just saying words, and then I put Winter and Fire in that little thing that you're supposed to put in for horses. And I just put them two in there for a little bit. And I didn't even know you can do that until like 2 months ago. When I first got Fire. And everything was alright. That was perfectly fine. And so I went back and I put them in their right places. Yeah. And yeah, they're just really cute. And then I finally got that done, and then the inventory. Okay, I'll go ahead and pause. I'll go ahead and get this part out because it's not that important. Okay, I'm sorry. That was loud. So when it came to oh my gosh, the inventory, yeah, I had a lot of junk in there, so I mean, it was not that real easy trying to get all that junk out. um because I wanted to go faster, but I don't know how to speed the video up, so I went pretty slow. So I just started putting the stuff and just dragging it to it pretty fast. Like as fast as I could go, and then I started doing the same thing to the pets. And then my inventory was complete. And I tried to put this in here, but then I realized you can't put it in there for just a couple of tries. And then clothing was pretty good. We were all set for this episode. Except Rose's door wouldn't close. So, that's good. That's amazing. So then I decided, well, I'm gonna get on a different horse, and then I'm gonna, yeah. But if, it would be perfect if I had another, it would be perfect if I had another horse. Oh, also, I just realized, I'm supposed to get Starcoins today. Oopsie. I have to ask my mom that. Oh no, that's Winter Wish. Then that means Rose winner. So, yeah, and then I realized I couldn't do anything. I had to be writing Rose. So, yay. This could be ordinary Sunday. So then, yeah, it's pretty easy. I pretty much did the same thing I've been doing. I'll go ahead and skip that part. And also, here's a little bit of footage of me talking. So, yeah, I don't know why I'm here. I tried to get Rose winner out, but, yeah. I'm sorry for my fingers. I think it's okay to say that I'm gonna go ahead. Oh my god. I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and skip the part of this video. Why am I not gonna go with you? Go ahead and skip the part of this video so it'll be much more easier instead of me having to go do stuff all over again. So yeah, I'm gonna do the same method that I blah blah blah. Okay, we get it. So, oh, that was really good. But yeah, anyways, I was trying to say blah blah blah, and no one really cares. So I tried to do the same method that I did earlier, and it's, you know what? It would just be a surprise for you guys. I'm not even gonna say any spoilers. But yeah, it's pretty easy. As you can see, I pretty much did the same method that I did like 2 million gazillion hours ago. But yeah, oh no. Okay. Then I put all the horses back where they belong, and yeah, hold on. Let me wear it, and then the look was complete. So, yeah, I got everything settled, but I started going in rooms a lot to see where I could do where I can do the intro of the little thing. And I started looking in the attack room. It looked pretty good. I was gonna try to do this. So we had the bridles over here, and then yeah, and I was just gonna act like I was gonna get some tack, but then I realized I didn't have any tack in my inventory, so that's not gonna work. Then I tried the seating room. It looked pretty good. I would probably do this. Or even this little area over here. Or even this, I already said it, didn't I? Or even this little area over here where it had blankets or something like that. Then comb, probably curly comb and curly comb and stuff like that. And then a bucket, and then lug wraps and other stuff, and then a towel, and then where you can get your water. Oh, okay, it's not gonna work. Okay, that's great. Yeah. So, yeah. I'll do the outro real quick. I have to make sure I didn't put any music like I said I would. Hold on. Okay, never mind. I used copyright music. I'm not saying what kind it was, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the outro myself. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment if you did, and comment down below. Comment down below if you want to, I can't talk. Comment down below if you want to see more, and bye!